Let's make one thing clear from the start. Merely saving $1 a day won't turn you into a millionaire. If you're still chasing after easy, miraculous ways to get rich quick, know that you're not the only one. There are plenty of people out there who've been duped by swindlers looking to make a quick buck off their dreams. However, I hope you stick around, because what I have to share with you today is crucial, and it's particularly relevant for you. Let's bust a common myth right off the bat. You don't need to be rich to start investing. Many people think that the world of investing is only for those with a lot of money to spare, but that's far from the truth. Even if all you can set aside is $1 a day, you're already on your way to building a significant savings account. This small daily amount might seem like pocket change, but over time it accumulates, demonstrating that everyone has the potential to grow their finances, starting with the very basics. Let's dive into how even the smallest contributions can pave the way to greater financial health. Let's break down the concept of compound interest using simple language and clear examples. When you save just $1 a day and let it grow over time, the power of compound interest kicks in. Here's how it works. Imagine you start by saving $1 each day. At the end of the month, you'd have $30, and by the end of the year, you'd have $365. Over 10 years, that would amount to $3,650. And after 40 years, you'd have $14,600. These calculations don't even take compound interest into account. Now, let's consider the impact of compound interest. If you earn a realistic interest rate like 1% per month, your savings will grow even faster. After 1 year, you'd have $380, and after 10 years, nearly $6,500. Over 40 years, your savings would approach $250,000. But what if you could increase your interest rate to 2% per month? In that case, after 1 year, you'd have $400, and after 10 years, you'd reach $12,800. By the end of 40 years, your savings would be closing in on $940,000, nearly reaching the magical 1 million mark. This shows how even small daily contributions like $1 can lead to significant wealth accumulation over time. Are you enjoying the video? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But now, let's delve into the realities of financial planning. While the idea of reaching 1 million in savings might sound enticing, it's essential to consider the challenges that come with it. Firstly, waiting 40 years to amass such a sum isn't practical for many. Life's uncertainties mean there's no guarantee you'll even be around by then. Secondly, achieving a consistent 2% monthly return over 4 decades is nearly impossible, given market fluctuations and other factors. And let's not forget about inflation, the silent wealth killer. Back in the day, 1 million was a fortune, but today it may not stretch as far, especially if your spending habits are lavish. Inflation slowly eats away at your purchasing power, meaning that what seems like a substantial sum now may not provide the same financial security in the future. In essence, while aiming for significant financial milestones is admirable, it's crucial to approach them with a realistic mindset, acknowledging the challenges of high returns and the impact of inflation on your long-term financial goals. Once upon a time, there was a young athlete named Roger Bannister who shattered the perceived limits of human capability by breaking the 4-minute mile barrier, inspiring generations to embrace the notion that with dedication and self-belief, even the most daunting challenges can be overcome. Now let's shift our focus to the importance of a mindset shift from spender to saver. Consider Sarah, a young professional who used to live paycheck to paycheck, splurging on luxuries without considering the consequences. After realizing the fragility of her financial situation, Sarah made a conscious decision to change her mindset. By prioritizing saving over spending, she transformed her financial future, illustrating how a simple shift in mindset can lead to significant positive changes in one's financial health. Just as Roger Bannister defied the odds and achieved the seemingly impossible, Sarah's story serves as a reminder that with determination and a changing mindset, anyone can overcome financial challenges and achieve their goals. Here are some practical and simple tips to start saving and investing small amounts. Set a budget. Track your income and expenses to understand where your money is going. Allocate a portion of your income for savings and investments. Pay yourself first. Treat savings as a non-negotiable expense by automating transfers to a savings or investment account as soon as you receive your paycheck. Cut unnecessary expenses. Identify discretionary spending areas where you can cut back, such as dining out, subscription services, or impulse purchases. Consider cheaper alternatives or eliminate non-essential expenses altogether. Use cashback and rewards. Take advantage of cashback rewards programs or credit cards that offer rewards for your everyday spending. Use these rewards to boost your savings or investments. Start small. You don't need a large sum to start investing. Look for investment platforms or apps that allow you to invest small amounts regularly, such as micro-investing apps or fractional shares. Embrace frugality. Practice mindful spending by questioning whether purchases align with your long-term financial goals. Opt for generic brands, buy items on sale, or consider second-hand options to save money. Track your progress. Regularly review your financial goals and track your progress towards them. Celebrate small milestones along the way to stay motivated. Remember, every dollar saved and invested adds up over time, so start small and stay consistent with your efforts. In conclusion, remember that every journey begins with a single step. By starting with small actions, such as saving just $1 a day, you're laying the foundation for significant financial changes. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by the prospect of reaching big financial goals, but by breaking them down into manageable steps and staying consistent, you'll be amazed at how quickly those small efforts add up. So don't underestimate the power of incremental progress. Embrace the journey, stay focused on your goals, and trust that your dedication to small daily actions will pave the way for remarkable financial transformations in the future. Explore the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad and uncover the secrets to achieving financial freedom. Click on the first pinned link in the comments for more insights on wealth generation and prosperity. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay on the wise path. Thank you for watching.